This is my 20-gallon cast iron pot here, and I didn't use it the last 2 years, and it has collected dust. So what I'm going to do is do a little cleaning on here, and I'm going to use this burner here to just boil some water, get it good and clean, and get all the dust off of here. And then I'm gonna coat it again and set it aside. I do plan on using this. That's that big pot too. I do plan on using this for crab boil. So let's get to getting that fire started and placing this on that to clean it. That's the Guatemalan grill right here, made from a tire wheel. This is a wheel from a vehicle, and I use. Where you also use this? I'm going to be burning wood. Wood chips from logs that I have split. Just want to kind of clean up the yard and get a lot of stuff burned out. This is how large this thing is. It's huge. Let me give y'all a reference. This is a propane tank. Yep. A lot of scrimp in there. This is another one of my huge pots. I can use this for the crab boil instead of the cast iron. Okay, I got this halfway filled. It's around right here. And I think that flame is getting pretty good. I'm seeing bubblets come up. It's not hot. This is cleaning, and I just want to get the dust off. But you might want to do that with a little seasoning, because the cast iron, it's gonna smell like metal as you let it dry. And this kind of keep some kind of flavor, smell to the metal, so it won't smell metallic. That's what I'm trying to get to. It's getting warm, so I have chili powder, Italian seasoning, lemon pepper. Put that up on the inside, and I'm gonna let this get a little warmer. Then I'm gonna start brushing off the sides here. Smell like I'm cooking too. Okay, remember now, we are just cleaning this. I don't have to worry about some kind of soap. Just gonna knock this dust off. when these pots sit for a while, if you know anything about your cast iron, you would have a grease buildup at the bottom of all your pots after they sit up for a while. That's because the metal, once it heats up, the metal spreads out. The pores of the metal spreads out. They expand. And when the pot is hot and you put your oils on it, they're expanded. Once the pot cools down 2 or 3 months, the expansion closes, and you see that grease build up in your pot. There's also one of your seasonings, and people confuse the seasonings. One is seasoning to keep everything from sticking. One is seasoning to keep flavor inside the pores. That's why I added those spices, because seasoning the pot, and that takes around 8 to 10 cookings of that pot. If you don't do that, all your food is going to taste metallic. It's going to taste like metal. And people would say, oh, I don't like the cast iron cooking because I have this metallic flavor every time I eat. That's because your seasoning hadn't got into your pots. So after 4, 5, 6 or 7 cookings, you will notice that that metallic taste is gone. It's the same thing with grilling. When you buy you barbecue grill, you will notice that the first 5 or 6 cookings on it, the food just don't taste good because you still have dirt or metal inside the grill. You have to get seasonings on the inside, just like those seasonings on my finger. When I close my fingers, you see the seasonings on the inside, close with seasoning the pot. So no, it's not something crazy, it's just making the food taste good. It's better to use oregano too. It's cheap and it works well. This is beginning to get a little bit too hot. And I'm going to work with it for a minute. Can I give you all another secret? This is 20 gallons. I have a 30 gallon. If you're going to use one of these, be prepared because it's expensive. You know the cost of crab legs, shrimp, blue crabs, potatoes. Most people cook on a 8-quart, 16-quart small. To cook in these, you're going to spend $350 in food. Yes. So it is expensive. That's why I rent it out sometimes. Just let people use both of those. This is really beginning to get hot. Now I'm just gonna let that boil for around 10 minutes. Then I'll put the flame out. I'm rubbing it with canola oil. Just keep it focused. Show you all this. Okay. Now we are good to go. Thanks for watching.